Hi there, I'm Bill Kinsella. I'm also known as William M. Kinsella. I am running for presiding municipal judge for the city of Las Cruces. My history in regards to wanting to run for judge is that I'm a native New Mexican. I was born in Socorro, New Mexico. I was raised pretty much there. I graduated from New Mexico Tech and then went on, after I lived with my grandfather, to University of New Mexico Law School, where I graduated back in 1986. So I have now 29 years going on of law experience as an attorney. As an attorney, I've done multiple trials and jury trials, bench trials, hearings, as a defense attorney, as a private attorney, and as a prosecutor. I have an enormous amount of experience in the courts. I think that would be of good use to the court system here in Las Cruces. I have always tried to be fair and impartial, and I hope that would go on further as being a judge. During my legal experience, I've worked with many offices in regards to the district attorneys and also the public defenders who also had budgets to deal with. In regards to the courts, I know that there's a court administrator usually that prepares the budget in regards to monthly budget reports for the presiding judge to take a look at, and that the presiding judge will then approve that budget if it is up to his satisfaction or her satisfaction. So in regards to the budget, I would try to work within the budget as I had with other agencies. In regards to policies, I've had experiences in many courts across the state of New Mexico. I've been in the 9th Judicial District, which is Clovis and Portales. I've been in the 12th, which is Otero and Lincoln. I've been in the 7th, which is Socorro, Catron, Estancia, which is and Sierra counties. So I have a lot of experience including Las Cruces. So I would like to use all that experience in helping out with the policies of the court and in formulating them for the future. In regards to cases that involve mental illness and competency, the municipal court is usually at the lower tier of regards to those issues. But if they do come up a lot, one of the issues is that it can be dismissed by a party usually, and also that the district court has the jurisdiction in regards to determining competency and regards to people that have mental illness, in regards to criminal activities and other things. There's also the option of maybe getting an involuntary commitment through the district attorney's office. I know that in northern New Mexico they have 5 mental courts up there, which help with that problem. But in regards to that, there are certain options, but I think the biggest option is deciding whether it's going to be dismissed by one of the parties or it's going to have to be transferred up to district court. I cannot answer that question in regards to, I think it infringes on judicial conduct in regards to whether they make a decision based on the law or the case, and you just can't do that in regards to cases or hypotheticals or anything like that before you even hear the case or apply the law to the case. Every case is different, and as a judge I would just apply the law to the merits of the case. My plans are to explore different options, different possibilities in regards to making the court more efficient if possible, and more efficient for the people that use the court. I also would like to see if it's more user-friendly in regards to that. I'd like to see some fresh approaches, maybe using more of computers, more internet access, trying to get things done over the internet in regards to if a person's going to plead, if the pleas can be sent out by the parties over the internet to each other so that things are resolved before they come to court. I would also like to see regards to maybe checking out the operating hours of the court. Are they efficient? A lot of people I know are students and work, and they may need to have hours beyond the normal hours that are being provided to them through the courts. Those are the things I'd like to explore. There are other things I'd like to explore and give it a fresh approach to the court rather than have the same method used because it's efficient.